Very good evening everyone, this is Manas from the hospitality desk. Today we are going to discuss about the checking process at a front desk while a guest is stepping down to the hotel. What hotel staff used to do? I'll give some clear professional explanation for front office check-in process usual for hotel staff training or learning purpose. A hotel staff can see this video and can learn with from this guideline. Okay, the first step when guest arrive and greetings. When guest arrive, we have to do the guest arrival and greetings. Welcome the guest with a warm smile and appropriate greetings. All right, like example, as example, good afternoon, welcome to the this hotel, the hotel name. Okay, offer a assistance with luggage if need. Of course, you have to ask for assistance, luggage assistance. Escort the guest to the front desk if not already there. So you have to escort the guest to the desk. Okay, next you have to ask the clarification question for a reservation confirmation. Politely you have to ask to the guest for the reservation, may I have your name and the reservation detail please. Like you have to check the reservation details in your PMS, whatever system you are using in the front office or the front desk, like guest name, date, room type, special request if it is there or not, or what will be the mode of payment. These all clarification questions you have to ask to the guest, so that guest will tell, yes, I have a reservation under the name of Mr. Agarwal, checking date, checkout date, and this is my food preference, I will pay by cash or card. So after that you have to take the clarification from the guest. Third is your registration, which is more important. Request a valid ID passport, okay, as per the hotel policy. Ask the guest to fill or verify the registration card, okay, if it is manually. Collect the contact information if not already, if it is there, so it's okay, otherwise you have to collect the contact information also. Explain any hotel policies or checkout, checking timing, or your hotel is smoking or non-smoking, and what is your smoking area or non-smoking area policies, etc, etc. Payment and authorization. If payment is due at checking in, take the payment, cash, card, whatever it is, you have to collect the money while guest is going to checking in. Okay, pre-authorized credit card if necessary for incidental charges. If necessary, you take the pre-authorized credit card details. Okay, and use a receipt if applicable. Okay, you have to, अगर applicable है तो आप receipt उसके लिए guest को दे सकते हो. Next is your room assignment and key issue, which is more important. Okay, assign a clean and prepare room which is already allocated for those arrival guests. You have to issue that room only. Double check the room number, room type, and readiness in the system. It is ready or not, you must know before giving to the guest the key. Okay, prepare and hand over the room key or the key card. Briefly describe how to use the key and any other access information if you have in the room inside. Maybe inside it's a one more key is there, you have to explain to the guest the key where it is kept and all, so the guest will know exactly how to operate the key. Some of the hotel, the guest coming in, you are simply giving the key, guest don't know how to use the key. Again, the guest coming down to your reception, or they are calling, I am not, my door is opening, not opening, like this one. Okay, 6 is information and orientation, which is more important. Inform the guest about room location and floor, which floor and where is the room, breakfast timing and the restaurants, etc, etc, how many restaurant is there and what is your breakfast timing. Okay, and the facilities, like we have a gym, swimming pool, what is the Wi-Fi password, and what is the emergency exit. Okay, any promotions or event is going on in the hotel, you must be informed to the guest. Okay, and next, any offer or any description if needed, you need to give it to the guest. Local area, where you can go for the visit, where you can go for the market, these all information you need to give to the guest while you are escorting the guest to the room or to the floor. Next is escort. Yes, in a luxury hotel always you find there is a GRE, guest relation executive, or the guest relation associate who will be escorting you to the guest room. Okay, offer a escort to the guest to their room and explain about the room facilities. Okay, so that guest will understand which kind of room they block and where the room they are allocated by the hotel. Okay, closing and interaction. While you are wishing the guest enjoy the stay, okay, We hope you enjoy your stay. If you need anything, please dial front desk or any particular extension for your hotel, and or visit anytime to the front desk. You must be informed to the guest. After this all, you must make a note that be polite, you have to be always attentive all the times, use the guest name, okay, whenever possible, or personalized the service. These all things has to be there. You have to take always guest name whenever speaking to the guest. Hi Mr. Agarwal, I hope your stay is much comfortable like this, okay. Handle any special request is there, you have to take it forward immediately to the concerned department, or if it is related to your department, you have to immediately take it forward. Like, it can be related to the food preferences, it can be related to the room preferences, it can be related to their housekeeping related, security related. You have to inform to the concerned department, and you ensure that it has to be done in a certain time, whatever the time you will give it to the guest, or immediately urgent basis it has to be done. So अगर आप गेस्ट हो, होटल में जा रहे हो, ये सारे प्रोसेस फॉलो किया जाता है, अभी आपको पता है। तो अगर इसमें से कोई भी मिस हुआ है, आपको लगता है, तो आप होटल में जाकर बता सकते हो मेरे को इसको नहीं किया है, ठीक है, मेरे को बताया नहीं है, क्या इमरजेंसी एग्जिट है, क्या नंबर डायल करना है, ठीक है। ये एज ए गेस्ट मैं आपको बता रहा हूँ, आपको ये सारी चीज पता होना चाहिए। बट है, अगर आप स्टाफ हो तो ये आपको जरूर फॉलो करना है, और ये सारे स्टेप बाय स्टेप एज ए फ्रंट ऑफिस यू हैव टू फॉलो दिस, सो दैट योर गेस्ट विल नॉट कंप्लेन टू यू। Thank you so much. बना रहे हमारे साथ, kindly subscribe our channel Hospitality Desk. Thank you very much.
Subscribe and share the Hospitality Desk channel to watch more.